guys, so as you know, on Sunday I went to Ingatestone Saddlery Centre, so I'm going to show you what I got. So first I got these Lemure sparkle socks. I just like them because of the sparkles and the glam. Next I got these Pro Touch Lemure gloves in grey. Next I got the Lemure base layer in fern. The reason I wanted fern is because we have a pony called Fern. Next I got this Lemure head collar and lead rope in fern again. This is for Foxy. She's a grey, so she looks good in pretty much everything. Next I got this Lemure saddle pad in fern again for Alfie. And finally I got this Charles Owen riding hat. Thank you to Ingatestone Saddlery, Charles Owen and Lemure for these beautiful products. I can't wait to try them out.